Good morning, students. Based on today's topic, I will give some fill-ups. Uh, Assignment 1. First one, restriction enzyme or essential tool in genetic engineering, useless that cleavage DNA at specific site. Second, plasmids or confer resistance to antibiotics. Third, eco-RA cleavages DNA at dash. Capital GAATTC. Fourth, genetic engineering is hybridization of DNA of one organism to that of other. Second, next one, consider the following statement. Recombinant DNA technology is popularly known as genetic engineering in a stream of biotechnology which deals with the manipulation of genetic materials by mano in vitro. PBR 322 is the first artificial cloning vector developed in the year 1977 by Bolivar and organoids from E. coli plasmids. Restriction enzymes belongs to a class of enzymes called nucleus. Sixth one, the process of recombinant DNA technology has the following steps. First one, amplification of the gene. Second, injection of recombinant DNA into the host cell. Third, culture of DNA at specific location using restriction enzymes. Fourth, isolation of genetic material. So, based on above four, arrange the correct sequence. First one, 4, third, 1, and second. This is the correct order of above statements. First one, which one of the following palindromic base sequence in DNA can be easily cut at about the middle by some particular restriction enzymes? First one, 5, capital GAATTC 3 dash. Next one, 3 dash, capital CTTAAG 5 dash. Eighth one, PBR32, BR stands for dash. Plasmids, Bolivar, and Rhagoids. Which one of the following one is used as a biosensor? Answer, bioreactors. 10th one, in which techniques ADMs, bromians is used dash agrogel electrophoresis. The 11th one, assertion and reason. Assertion, Agrobacterium tumefaciensis is popular in genetic engineering because this bacteria is associated with the root nodules of all cereals and pulse crops. Reason, a gene incorporated into the bacterial chromosome's genome gets automatically transferred to the cross with which bacterium is associated. So the answer is both assertion and reason are true, but reason is correct explanation of assertion. Next one, 12th one, which one of the following is not correct statement? So the answer, TI plasmid causes the bunchy top disease. This is the wrong answer. Next one, 13th one, last one, an analysis of chromosomal DNA using the southern hybridization technique does not use. First one, answer is electrophoresis. Thank you, students.